Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable grid line display on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button. Then we're going to go to the shooting section, so the section of the red camera. Scroll all the way down to shooting display and select grid line display. And here you can enable or disable that option. So grid line display, basically once you enable it, it shows a grid on your shooting screen. So it's not really visible on this camera, but from my point of view, it is enabled. So this option works. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.